Today's warm-up routine is looking at single strokes. Let's jump right in. Looks like this. Striking with my index, and then switching to my non-dominant hand. Switch. Middle finger. Switch. Make sure to breathe. Check in with your shoulders. Make sure your wrists are nice and loose. Shoulders back and down. No tension in your feet. Switching every time. Ring finger. Attention to how you have to rotate in order to get the same power. Try to aim for the same spot with every strike without getting tangled. Keeping all of the other fingers nice and loose. Pinky. You might find you have less control here. Thumbs. Make sure you're getting a nice even stroke every time. Pay attention to how each hand is rotating. Make sure that they're both very similar. Notice any tension in one hand. See how you can adjust to make that feel more comfortable. time. And then we switch again. Switching again. Switch. And then let's come back down. Left hand, fingers first. And then we switch. Nice and low and nice and loose. Making sure the strikes between the thumb and the finger all sound equal and have the same tone. And back down. Nice, well done. I invite you to try this whole practice routine in the higher tempo. We started here at 75 beats per minute. See if you can speed that up and challenge yourself a little bit. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your practice, and I'll see you in another video sometime soon.